Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the media you want to upload and confirming format and size requirements. This prevents rejections. Make sure you trim or compress long videos to Snapchat's length limits so uploads don't stall. Once done, grant Snapchat access to your camera roll and verify you're signed into the intended account. This avoids posting to the wrong profile. Preparing files and permissions first speeds the process and reduces errors before the actual upload begins. Open Snapchat and tap the Add/Upload flow. Choose the camera roll item you prepared. Once selected, use Snapchat's editor. Crop to frame, add text, stickers, AR lenses, and adjust sound or speed. These tools shape viewer engagement. Make sure to set your audience correctly, choosing My Story, Friends, or a custom list. Audience settings determine visibility and privacy. After editing, preview the snap to confirm timing and appearance, because small tweaks here change how others experience your content. When you're ready, confirm caption, privacy options, and any tags or location settings because those affect reach and context. Tap Send or Post and watch the upload indicator. A steady progress bar means success, but pause if your connection blips. If the upload fails, retry once, then switch between Wi-Fi and cellular, clear Snapchat cache, or re-export the media at a lower bitrate before trying again. If persistent, relaunch the app and check for updates. These steps solve most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.